Hello guys, it's Friday, the last trading day. Well, we still have Monday, but it's pretty much the last trading day of the quarter, okay? So it has been such a crazy 3 months since January, February, and now March, going to April. I think if we look back just a couple of days before, the market was completely normal, and then Trump came in and made that a completely chaotic market. So lots of things happening, and I just want to do a wrap up today. I just want to get into a little bit of what Donald Trump said yesterday on Threads. That was on Instagram. I think it's Instagram's sort of second platform. I'm not too sure about that, but I know you can have like threads that you can send on Instagram now. Anyways, so it's I think the market wasn't expecting for that, but I will be telling you that in a moment. But before we go further, please subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. It's very important that you do those types, because this is what keeps me, happy and motivated to come here every single day and post good quality videos to you. Having the webinars every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for free, not charging anything. I know it could be value, at least $200, $300, those webinars, but we are here for free. Okay, so it doesn't take you any second, doesn't take you any 5 minutes or nothing. Just literally thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being supportive, and we're very close to hitting 10,000 subscribes on the YouTube channel. That's going to be massive. Okay, now, what did Donald Trump say yesterday? I will hold on that and tell you just in that, a little bit further down the line. But I want you guys pay attention to gold. Remember, gold was trading at $3,000 2 weeks ago? Well, now it's very close to $3,100. It's trading at $3,070. Okay, $3,070. So that's been a massive move. $70 has been a massive move in less than 2 weeks. My expectations are continuing to be higher and higher for gold to continue to go high and high. We've seen, 2023 we saw gold at 2,000. 2025 we see gold at 3,000. What's going to be in 2026? Maybe 4,000. Well, if we continue to go the way we are, maybe even quicker we get into 4,000, okay? Because my next target is at 3.1K, so $3,100 is where I'm placing my take profits. The reason why gold has been going up is, I think, if you haven't been on my webinar yesterday, you've missed that explanation, but there's a few other there's a big list of why gold is being bullish. But if we look a little bit back, we've seen a lot of uncertainty on the market, okay? And that uncertainty generates fear, and that fear generates go to safe haven. And gold is a safe haven. So anytime that there is fear, there is uncertainty, there is volatility on the market, investors prefer to put risk off. And for that reason, they go to gold, they go to US dollar, they go to Swiss francs, Japanese yens, and etc. So my opinion is that yes, gold will continue to rally, okay, in the shorter period. Maybe we have a little pullback as we just got like 1 week ago, and then a continuation up. Now, what did Donald Trump say? Well, I have it right here on my hand, okay, right here. So I'm going to read word by word to not have people saying that, oh, you say something that he didn't say, or blah, blah, blah. So listen, if the European Union works with Canada in order to do economic harm to the USA, large-scale tariffs, far larger than currently planned, will be placed on them both in order to protect the best friend that each of those two countries have ever had. Ouch. That hurts a lot. And I guess we are on a very close point of a trade war. It is happening already. Yes, it is happening. A trade war is basically classified when two countries are tariffing each other, and then other comes to influence that. But again, that is just the beginning. I'm deeply sad to see this because, until where I know, USA is a Democrat believe. They believe on a democracy. And for a president, it doesn't matter. Donald Trump's just a president. He's not anything else than that. Yeah, I get it. It's a lot of thing already, but it's nothing bigger than that, okay? Because remember, the president is one person, but the back office, it's huge. We have much more people taking care of the whole country and, you know, passing over to the president, and the president passing over to the back office, and then they come into conjunction and they work together to make the country better for living society. That's not what I think they're doing there, but anyways, let's not get into politics here. If we look to USA at the moment, I guess someone should stop him. That's my honest opinion, because if no one stops him, what's going to be next? Literally, what's going to be next? We don't know. That guy can wake up in the morning and say, look, I'm going to put 50% tariffs on someone today. I mean, nothing is stopping him to do that. So we should have someone bigger telling him, look, mate, you're completely out of your head. What are you doing? You're not making America great again. You're going to generate high inflation. You're going to generate lower spending. You're going to generate lower revenues. You're going to shrink those businesses. Those businesses will fail. It's not how you do it. And, you know, we see Tesla stocks falling, trading at 400 a few months ago, now trading at 200. 50% fall like that in 3 months, in a quarter. We see BYD. You know, BYD, no one believed on that. Elon Musk laughed at BYD. He laughed at BYD. Look, I think the word sort of goes a little bit of reversal at the moment, because BYD is trading at $400 per share. You know, there's lots of things happening this week. I guess the biggest move were the gold. We will probably continue to have those big moves on gold. A majority driven by the uncertainty, by the whole fear of the market until next quarter. And then next quarter, we're going to have the tariffs. We're going to have comments from President Trump, and that's going to set the stage for the January, February, March, April, May, and June. Guys, I hope you all could have a great week, could catch some good trades, came to the webinar, is on the Telegram, because if you're not on the Telegram, you're missing content as well. So go into the Telegram now. Description of this video, you will find a link to join us on the Telegram. It's already 300 members, so you should be participating from those people where we're getting knowledge every single day that is, aggregating into our trading as well. Thank you so much for being with me this week, another month, another quarter. I see you back next week. Take some time over the weekend, stay with your family, go out, breathe some fresh air, and then come back stronger for the second quarter. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next video, or I see you into the Telegram. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.